Jeez, that's cold. Whoa, I'm down Windmill Bight Park. Well, I'm here with family. Family's just going on over there. One second, I'll just show you the ocean, the waves. The waves are wicked today. Everybody should check this place out, Windmill Bight Park in Lumsden, Newfoundland, Canada. What I'm going to do here now, I'm going to get over there on that shoreline. There's a lot of waves on the go, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to, or if the tide is too high. I'm going to see if I can get some mussels. Okay, I might have to get overboard. I got the little mass here. My kid's dipping it because I came on prepared as usual. That's the way I roll. Seen mussels there last time I was down there when I went out there for a walk. So I'm gonna go see if I can get some mussels, bring it back to the other beach, put them in a pot, boil them, and eat them. I'm over here at the beginning of the rocky shoreline, we'll call it. It's a beautiful evening. I haven't got much time, so I'm gonna get this way here now. Whoa, the rocks are slippery. Better watch out. Oh. Might have to get up to a pathway here. I'm here on the pathway here now. Make it a bit easier. I need to sway a little bit more now. Where I think I've seen the mussels. I see some whales. I always says that, but yeah. I'm out here now on the highest peak in this little area. Have a look at this. Beautiful spot. You can see the pond in there now, where the park's to. Windmill Bight Park. Sun's coming down. I'm not sure if it was around this area. I believe it was over there a little bit more. Or it might have been on down there, I can't even remember. I'm gonna have a look around and see. Hopefully I find some. Red berries, I don't know what they are. They're not partridge berries. No, it's not here. It's over there somewhere. That green slime there. I'm over now, around a few more rocks on the shoreline, whatever you want to call it. And I look over here. I don't see no mussels yet. I have to keep on going. Yeah, I'm out here now. I'm in low water. Tide's low, but loads of small mussels there. But tide, I was going to get more out off. I can get up to my waist and dive down and all that, but the waves are crazy. Tide. So I'm just going to try if I can scrounge up a few dozen there. They're small though. They're extra small, but it's good for a taste, I guess. They say you shouldn't eat some mussels in like low water and all that, but I think they contain their own water, so I don't think it hurts. Now, unless they're out of water, then I wouldn't do that. But anyways, it's a fine evening here. Grab a few more now. A netful, I guess. Go back and ball them up. Small mussels, I'm going to check here. See the lobs on it, are to see, isn't it? Maybe a few mussels down there. few. Only small. But it's just really showing you what it is. How you can get it, harvest them, I guess, if you want to call it that. It's probably not the best situation where it's shallow water. But I would be out there if it was a calm day with sort of seas on. Still leaving. For some reason, though, like there's hundreds, well, thousands of small baby ones there. As you see now, I got 30, 40, whatever it is there in the net. My Jackson's net, my kid's net. They're only little tiny things. You can go on any shoreline, there's always food. Not much food, but these types are out. Way back there. I don't know if this is snails. Seems like an awful lot of them. Let's check it out. Came in there in the next point. Yeah, down in the gulch, you want to call it. It's a massive rock. Don't see nothing here. Like back there. Scattered one, but nothing major. Maybe if it was a calm day, I can look around, go out deeper, and walk around, dive. I'll do it another day. For now, I'll just get the ones I got. Sun's going down. I'll head back. I'll head back to camp, head back to the other beach in the pond, cook those up, see what they're like. Might be nothing down to them, and eat them, and that'll be it. I had to walk over that far point one day. Sunset's going to be amazing again today. We're just passing the beach. Oh, it's way on over there. Sunset's going down. It's a little shortcut, I guess. You want to call it that? Go right back to it. Instead of walking on the beach, you can walk here. All this. And cut off a bit of time to get back to the beach. So I'll see you when I get there. So I'm back now. Got the mussels in the pot. No barbecue because, man, there's always something on it. No barbecue because we left the propane. We got a lighter, but
I stays in the car from.
Yeah, the car was there.
We had the car first, but I never tapped in it.
Look at the sun. Daxon's breaking up some sticks. Sunset. Here's the mussels. They're huge. I gotta zoom in.
That's how you started?
Yes. Micro mussels. I couldn't dive overboard, so I had to get what I could. There.
What, I'm going?
This is what we got. Should be good. Sun's gone down. Over there. Just went down. Just start the boil. Just starting.
Yeah, it blew up. It blew out when...
I had to get a windbreaker or a cooler in the case. Back to you in a couple minutes when they're done. For a taste test. Why did I say taste?
Oh, they're
Stay back.
opening.
Yeah, that's what it does.
Really?
When it cooks, yeah.
Oh, that one's almost fully open.
Yeah, the mussels, once it starts boiling and it all opens up, they're practically good to go.
Open.
And the ones that don't open, don't eat them. Probably something wrong with them. It's boiled. Oh yeah, she's boiling now. What?
Stop saying it's about to be like this.
Yes. Alright. Austin smashed screen up down for hearing this. Mussels are boiling. Should have had a cover
Stop
on.
saying stuff like that.
See them come. Oh, the shells are open.
I mean, that's much better because
Directly from the North Atlantic. Baby mussels. Mussels are done, I think. They keep spawning up, and well, they've been spawning up for a long time. So I'm gonna drain them out. We're gonna drain them. So I don't even have a cover. Where's the cover? Where's the cover for this?
I have no idea.
So I'll taste them now in a minute. Okay, yep, not this next. Okay, we got all the mussels on the plate here now. Now let's try them out. Shirley, you try it first.
why
Hold
is
on.
one of that?
Put it down. See. Right.
Yeah,
It's pretty windy.
Big mussel.
Big duffel.
Tastes like mussel. Put it in a shell.
The shell? You don't eat the shell.
Not bad size actually for such a small mussel. Like you seen the.
That is one
Like
of the
last
five
year?
mussels.
Delicious.
Ah, you really suck.
Oh, delicious. They are. Well,
Do you want to try one, Michaela?
only got it. Oh.
See, they're good. That means they're not.
Oh.
Yes.
Red.
Red and orange.
Let me try one.
No.
Yeah, I'll try one of them.
What? Oh, there's rocks in that one. Do I say not?
That's nothing.
You, I can spit that out.
See, they're all good. Nice mussels.
Oh, look. 550 rocks. And then I tried.
Yep, delicious. Came down to Windmill Bight, over to the saltwater side, the great North Atlantic in the waves. I went on over to the coastline there, found some mussels, brought them back, put them in the pot, cooked them, ate them. You can almost say it's a kitchen cook.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
So, yes, like Dax just said, check it all over social media, like and subscribe, hit the notification bell. Thanks for joining me. I'm Danny.
I'm sure.
And follow.
Tony's at home. Daxon's here.
And follow.
Check his channel out. Daxon's Toys and Adventures.
Toys Adventures.
Yeah. Oh. Thanks for joining me. See you later.